Unit 4, Lesson 4 homework. Let's get right into it. We are calculating 9 times 214 using the standard algorithm. All right, so we've been talking about it in class. Basically, you want to start here. You're going to multiply here, and then that way, and then that way. All right, so we're going to start out with our 9. We're going to multiply it by 4. And since you've been doing your Web Math Minute, working on your times tables, I'm sure that you know 9 times 4 is 36. That's right. So we're going to drop our 6. And notice how I'm trying to keep everything lined up. Y'all know I am. We're trying to keep it really neat. Because right now it's not going to play much of a factor because this problem isn't going to be like too crazy. But y'all know when we start doing like 2-digit by 3-digit, we're going to start having a lot of numbers underneath. We need to have them lined up nice and straight and neat. It'll make it harder for us to, I guess, harder to make mistakes, which I don't know if that makes sense. Hold on, I'm trying to word it right. it'll make it to where hopefully we'll make less mistakes just based off of placement value, okay? So 9 times 4 is 36. We're going to drop our 6 and raise our 3. I'm going to put it right up here over this little 1. Now, what do we do next? What we do? 9 times 1. And y'all know that. 9 times 1, 1 times anything is that number. 9 times 1 is 9. And we need to add our 3 that we raised. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So we need to drop our 2 and raise our 1. And now we can go ahead and figure out what's next. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So our answer is 1,926. Any questions? I can't hear you anyway if you have any. So I'm just gonna move on. Okay. That's the good part about doing these videos. Like, I don't have to. It's the good and the bad part. Because if you did have a question, I'd love to answer it. Y'all know I love questions and stuff. But I don't have to worry about questions. I can just look at you crazy. Like, do you have a question? Get louder. I can't hear you. Okay. All right. I was being silly. Okay. So let's now calculate 7 times 832 using that standard algorithm. Notice how it's almost obnoxious how much space I'm putting in between these numbers because I want to keep everything straight. I want to keep everything in its place value form, okay? I'm going to put my 7 over here. So everything is nice and lined up place value wise. I got my 1's place here, 10's place here, 100's place here, and everything that goes underneath here is also going to be lined up based on that placement value. And that's how you're going to do because you like to keep things neat. All right? You like to keep things neat and clean. Okay? All right, let's get going. Same way we started on this one. We're going to worry about our 1's place. 7 times 2 equals... I still can't hear you. Something's wrong with the audio. 7 times 2 is 14. So let's drop our 4. Raise our 1. All right. 7 times 3. I know you've been doing your Web Math Minute. I know you know your 3's times table. 7 times 3 is 7, 14, 21. Can you do something for me? That was lame, I know. But one of y'all would have said that in class if I'd have said 21. Y'all always like 21. Can you do something for me? All right, let's go. So 7 times 3 is 21. Don't forget to add our 1. So it's actually 22. So we're going to drop our 2 and raise the 2. All right. So now we almost finished. We need to multiply our 7 times 8, which is 56, plus 2 equals 58. Okay. And now we're at the end, so we'll just drop that entire 58. Our answer is 5,824. And now you will complete problem 3 all by yourself, okay? And I want you to calculate 8 times 347 using the standard algorithm. And I would also like you to check your answer with the box method, okay? And I'm not leaving you on an island, because if you want, you can run this video back, but just use the same strategies that we just did, but use it with these numbers, 8 times 347, okay? And that's going to be the main problem I'm going to be focused on tomorrow. I want to see that you did this problem by yourself, and I'm probably going to stop you at the door. I'm going to stop you at the door. Like, hey, where's my problem 3? I want to see problem 3. Now, I helped you out with problems 1 and 2, but I want to see 3. Come on now. Stop playing with it, okay? And, yeah, so I want you to check your answer with the box method. And if you forgot about the box method, you know we got some videos in the past if you want to pull up the box method ones. All right? See?